off and see what we are going to take in this workshop. Try to make it light and smoother as possible. To make your avatar, you need actually two main steps. One, to create your avatar that look like you, then animate it. So in this workshop, we are going to explore the tools that will help you to create your own AI avatar, then make animation or make it talk. Plus, you are going to have plenty of time to try it by yourself with me. So I encourage you first to watch the tools we are going to explore together. Then we are going to have a plan to have a hand-ons on this lovely tool and get benefit from the workshop time. And by the end of the workshop, each one of you will have his or her own talking AI avatar, hopefully. So I strongly encourage all of you to try during the time of the hand-on when we just put the time for it. Okay, so are you ready? Ready to kick off? Okay, I love to be engaged with my audience through chats. So let's kick off. Through the workshop, I will be just communicating with you through questions and want to hear from you back and forth. So kindly share your opinion, your thoughts, anything you want with me through the chat. So let's get started. First, how you are going to create your own avatar, your personalized avatar. Simply, you can do this using your own photo or a video. This is kind of a latest trend. From a video, you can create your own avatar. So how can you create it from a photo? There are plenty of AI tools that help you create an avatar from your photo. Plenty, as we just mentioned. So I just pick the top three that you can use, as we have question here, whether it's free or paid. You can use it or try it for free for a certain number of avatars of yours and enjoy the experience by yourself during the workshop. Otherwise, you can pay a very decent amount of money for a lot of versions of you in AI. So I picked for you three winners, or like three lucky tools or three splendid tools that will give you a very good result, and it's for free in a certain way. So we have Down AI, the one on the left, and we have Leonardo AI, and we have photo booth from Open Art. So let's explore example for each one. For me, I tried a Down AI, and this is the avatar. I did it for myself. Down AI is a mobile app. If you have a chance to get my presentation after the workshop, you are going to find that every photo or icon in the slide are hyperlinks. So if you click on the photo, you will see a video tutorial how to do such a photo. And if you click on the icon of the app, you are going to open the link of this app so you can get the best of it. So let's explore what Down AI did. Down AI, it's a mobile app, actually. You can do it or try it on iOS or Android devices to make an AI avatar for yourself. How it works, you simply open the Down AI application, upload a selection of 8 to 12 selfies or photos of you. They have to be clear, close-up images with minimal details in the background in order to have the best generated avatars for you. Then the AI get trained. The Dwayne AI technology learns from your selfies, and you only need to train your AI once. So once you train it to a certain photos, then you can create endless awesome avatars from it, just like this. What's good in this AI tool that give you something called AI style? Like I want to look like clown, I have a curly hair, I want to look like a mermaid, have a sci-fi photo, or a cowboy theme. And for me, guess what? Which one I chose is like this fairy art style. So If you choose the style, you already have a trained model for your face, so you can apply any of these amazing art styles to your photos. I tried this app 3 years ago when it first launched. It was like 135 Egyptian pounds for a week. It gives you endless number of avatars. But when I tried it again, like a couple of days before, it turns to be have a different subscription. You can, with only 25 Egyptian pounds, guess how decent amount of money you can pay to get 20 avatars of you for each day. So you pay only 25 Egyptian pounds for a week and get 20 avatars each day. If you want extra, you can pay 25 that give you a package of each art style. So, for example, I just subscribed for a week. It's 25 Egyptian pound. I chose for free for the first time, like 45 different styles of my photo or a trained model. Then if I request a pixelate style like this one or a fairy style, I'll have to wait for the next day to get a 20 version of me. If I like the same style and I want to try it more, I can keep and have different versions. The more photos you give, like up to 12 photos, the more it have beautiful different avatars. Try to not have a sequence of images of you, like here. You are having different poses of you, different hairstyle, maybe different outfits, different poses. Like one looks serious, one laughing, showing your teeth, one just smiling, one just looking to the camera. The more different styles about you give to the AI model, the more variety you have in your AI versions of avatars you curated. So I just received a comment that is now 140 per week. Yes, thank you, Wael Badawi, for sharing this with us. Yeah, they're changing the prices every day, but it's still very, very decent amount of money to pay. If you try to hire a personal illustrator to do this for you, you're going to pay much more and very hard communication telling you what style we have. But such an amazing AI tool give you even a different art style you never thought about, like a Caribbean pirates here, or looking like a Xena, or I don't know, portrait, black and white, looking like a Loki, like an alien. So this is open up your mind of different styles and on your own base. You can try it anytime you like. So this is all for Down AI. I will be using my avatar through this workshop for the continuous demonstration. So the next tool we have is Leonardo AI. And I guess again, I just tried the same fairy style because I want to see the difference of details and how it be applied from a tool to another. And anyone guess which character it is from which episode to help you or which series? Can anyone guess? Lord of the Ring, yes, correct. Yes. So we just have the same photo of an actor and try to apply the same style I tried in Down AI to see how Leonardo.ai gave it to us. Apparently, so far, it's a little bit more detailed, but as we see here in the finger type thing, that it have only 4 fingers, not 5. And this is what make this a signature of the photo. Like any artist have a signature that I draw this photo. The AI generated photos have the signature that's the eye maybe not placed properly, or you have a missing finger or more fingers actually. So once you see this stuff, you know this photo is generated by AI, but we have an artist though who have experience with Photoshop maybe. He can edit or she can edit the photo the way she like. So let's explore how Leonardo AI looks like. Leonardo AI is a web-based AI tool. You can simply log in or sign up using your Google account, and is also available as an an app on iOS devices for now. Maybe later it will be available for other type of mobile devices. So if you just simply sign up with your Google account for first time, you are going to be asked about creating your username and choose what are your interests. At least you have to choose one. Why? Because it seems like when you sit, if you have an inexperience to have a self-portrait drawing or a photo session, you sit with a person who drawing you and start talking with him or with her, giving more information about yourself, what you are interested in, what you are like, what's your background, how your style. All this will help the artist draw what's more like to you and what's more touches you. And when you saw the final photo, say, yes, 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 this look like me. So once you open Leonardo AI, you have to pick a name. Let's do it together. I just pick the name and I guess already taken. Let's put another one. I'm interested in art, interested in interior design, video games, and so on. And here you have just to confirm that you are above 18 and click next. So there are older versions of the website, different places for how the Outlook look likes. And there is a new one. Why I'm just saying so? Because you are going to find tutorials on YouTube about um, people doing things. And when you open the Leonardo AI, you find different layout. That's why, because they have a new one. So let's explore which one. I just want to have your opinion. Which one do you want to explore, the old version or the new one? Okay, new one. Okay, cool. Let's explore the new one. Once you open the AI website or the Leonardo AI website, you're going to see this a lovely tool or toolbar on the right. I just try to zoom in here. Just go up. You can find your portfolio. I don't know if you just close the zooming. And here we go. Let's give you like 150 coins to generate your own photos. Because it's a very young AI tool, so it still need to have trained a lot. So they offer this free versions at the beginning, so don't hesitate to try it at once you hear about an AI tool, because it will have a more option than if you waited a little bit. It will be trained well, so it will cost more. So far we can try it for free. It give you like 150 coins. And so how can I generate my own photo? It offers different types of tools. We are interested today with image generation. And for image generation, you can just generate image from text, or you can give it photos of you, same as doing AI, and create your own avatar. So once you have another promotions, it's okay to read all. And now we need to train your model or upload photos. So how can we do this? We simply have three things. We are going to have a little bit details in the first AI tool. And once you understand it well, you find it duplicated in all the AI tools we are going to mention. Here we have a model. Leonardo AI have different models, not just one. It's like, oh, a lot of models here. And you try each one in order to have better results. It's more for developer people, but Dwayne was a little bit easier than Leonardo AI. And for another tab, it's called Image Guidance. This where you can upload your image. Let's go up. And create your own avatar. So we have two options now, whether we have volunteer from the audience to try photos of him, or we can pick a famous actor, Egyptian actor actually, and create an avatar for him. Which one do you pick? So we have question here. Should we limit the number of elements chosen? What do you mean by elements? Okay, so until I get the answer from you, we can simply here upload the photo. I chose, let's just see if you guess the actor here. So, it's very famous Egyptian actor, right? Okay, so let's upload different photos of him. And once we upload the photos, we have like a description appear here. Let's see together. So we have here image to image. If you want to really have exact look of you, and we have depth to image. If you just hover each option, it will describe for you what this option do. So if you hover on depth to image, it detects the image. It detects the depth features of any input image and will use this guide for your image generation. What's mean by depth? Like if it's 3D or 2D object behind, but we actually use just image to image in this one. For hand questions, he was asking about this other options up. As a beginner, for a first time or try, there's a recommended options for you. Like this one, Leonardo Lighting XL is one of the recommended models for you for a first time. And for dynamics, it just help you how the art style will look like. Remember in down AI when you use fairy or cowboy or sci-fi, here we have anime, cinematic, curative, or dynamic. What dynamic or general actually mean is generals have different art style, and here at the top I will provide Leonardo AI with more text about what I want in my avatar. But if you choose dynamic, it will take from each of these style and give you different styles. For other elements, and let's go to the right alphabet. If you want to add elements, it's like if you add subjects or objects to your photo, like a flower on your hair, or a certain necklace, for example, or certain symbol. You can add this from add elements section here. So there's another option called add negative prompts. Here we can listen to a new word called prompt. Prompts in AI tools mean you write text to the AI model in order to understand you. Prompts is the place where you can talk or chat with the AI model. It simulates the real life experience when you just sit with a photographer or an artist and tell, just talking and having chat with you. So in order to simulate this in the AI tools, you simply have this in every AI tool called prompt. Okay, so this prompt area, you write things. So I'm new, like it's first time for me to take a portrait, or first time for me to take a portrait and sit with a photographer, or maybe sit with an artist. I don't know what to say. What how do I describe myself? Maybe we are speaking different language. I'm sitting with an Italiano maybe, or a German person and an Egyptian. How can I express that? Even if you are from the same nationality, how we are going to talk with each other. This is called prompt style. How can I get prompt styles from Leonardo? If you go back to the home page, you are finding pretty cool photos here. Each one, if you just hover on it, it will show the prompt that's been written to generate such a photo. This photo is not based on a photo, just a text you write in order to have this photo. Guess what? If I want to have the same photo but with my own picture, I will simply use one we tried before with image guides, but I have to write in the prompt these lovely prompts. So if I like this style, maybe let's pick this one. Okay, so if I pick this one, I will read the whole description been written in order to have this photo. Now I want to apply the same style on my own photo. I will simply, if we just zoom in here, I'll simply copy the prompt from here because I'm beginner. I didn't try to do this before. I don't know the appropriate word, how to write it. Is it a full sentence or just a guidance, guide words or what? I will learn from this. The more you use the tool, the more you get familiar with it. So I can copy this one simply by clicking like this and read the prompts in order to see how this look like looking up at viewer. And we have this harsh lighting. You get every single description of what you see in this. So I like this style and we copy it. Let's apply it to Mustafa photo, back to image generation on the left and back to image guidance. Okay, so I don't have nothing written in the prompt there. I will just paste the same prompt I see. I just want to make sure that there is a gender reference to this prompt, which mean like she and I having a he person in the photo. So just quickly read the prompt and see this all general words, nothing related to the gender, so it can be applied to my photo. If we go down a little bit here, we are going to see this strength. This is my model, okay? And this is the strength. How much do you want to look like the guide photo you just share with the AI model? So if I increase it, I will just have more details. It will look more realistic to me. So let's try it with the default one. It tried to help you at the beginning. And once we select the same one, just can go and click here down the photo. We have upload image input. So I chose everything, the type, I write upstairs the type of the model I want, the art style, and the prompt for the one of the photos I saw I want to apply to mine. Okay, so ready, let's click upload and see how it's gonna look like. Okay, it seems that you upload only one photo per time. Select all. We still upload photo by photo. Okay, it's okay. We can just select one photo as a guidance. And let's click up there, here. It will tell you how much will cost you. This generation will cost you like 12 tokens. It's okay to try for first time. With each Google account you use, you have 150 token or coins, okay? It's already deducted the coins from my account, and we simply go here on the left and find generation history. Okay, it takes like up to, okay, it just generates. Okay, this is what's happened. It just take the features from the photo, same color and features, and apply to the style I just chose. So if we go back to the strength, I just increase the strength to the maximum and click another generate. Each time it gives you 4 photos. So each 4 photos costs you 12 tokens. Here it's look more like him, but in the other style I chose If we try to choose a different style, we can choose like illustration from here and generate another one. Okay, we having yes, female fashion from up there. Okay, okay. We can just remove anything that's related to female, Victorian influence too, yes. And let's try another one. We can just found here on the right side, sorry, the left side, that there is the number of images. If we try to increase and go back, the more you increase, the more token is taken. So 8 photos will cost you like 20 tokens. Here you are having the history of all the photos has been generated. And let's see how's they look all the same actually. Okay, so we need to upload more photos actually. And let's choose diffusion and see. So it's the more you try to use the app, the more you get familiar with it. But when you just, okay, I don't have enough tokens. Okay. You are going to find here in this tutorial that there is people that spend a lot of time just trying all the texts and prompts that will help them to achieve the style they want. The minimal amount of prompts to be written in order to have the style you want. Okay, just you have to wait this. Okay, now just changing the photos to different people. Okay. So in order to have help in how to generate this one, we found this cool tutorial that show you or share with you the token or the prompts has been used. So if we just click on it and see if you wanted to have like a cyberpunk, we copy this style and we go back to Leonardo. I hope I have enough to generate. Okay, and we'll see if it's going to work or not. So mainly this tool, or it works on the distortion. Okay. The more you have realistic results, the more, yes, sure, I can share the tutorial with you. It's like if you have the presentation, you click on the photo, it will open the link for the tutorial. Okay, so because this is meant for developer work, we find like we take like couple of minutes up to 10 minutes now to just try to generate one that we hope it look like. Okay, so it takes more time for you to generate one that's really look like you using AI Leonardo, but once you master it, you are going to have great results. But it's a little bit time consuming. I just want to share the tool as it have better results, but it takes time. So others suggest that we have alchemy. Okay, alchemy is paid actually. So it take a little bit time in order to have photos generated. The more you look for prompts that help you, which the things you are looking for, maybe Leonardo style here, elements you add, the strengths and guidance actually. So this is for Leonardo AI, and let's explore another one and see which one will look better. Last tool we can share together is called Photo Booth from Open Art, and this is the official YouTuber who make tutorials for this AI tool, and he tried to do this photo for himself in James Bond style. If you just click on the photo, it will open the tutorial of how to make such a photo, but if you click on the icon, you are going to open the website itself. It has the same but more simpler way than Leonardo AI, like training your own model. It takes up to 10 minutes to upload. It's like a character or face or object. Let's say it's a character. It will help you with an in-app or in-website tutorials, how to train your model and how to do this for free. Actually, it doesn't cost you any penny. So I'll just open this one and try to select the model type, a character, and call it Mustafa, or maybe he has a problem with the actor. And here, let's upload the photos. I hope it accepts all. And yes, accepts all, and let's sign up with Google. And as I said, it will take 10 minutes to generate the model. Okay, so apparently it's not a paid one. It's not free plan. I need to upgrade in order to make um, a portrait for Mustafa actually. So, so far we just explored three AI tools. Maybe I wasn't lucky in picking Leonardo and Open Art Photo Booth for live demonstration, as it will take a little bit time, and for Open Art, it will just cost money. It's not for free like Leonardo or Down AI. So all this was tools to build a photo or avatar from your photo. Uh, Next, we can see that some of you mentioned Hagen, and Hagen is a leading platform in curating avatars from videos, actually. If you can see from this video that the CEO of Hagen upload or train the model or himself and make all the promotional videos about Hagen using Hagen, actually. He didn't record himself for a long time, just 10 minutes talking without making any hand gestures, just moving your head or blink, talking normally with a clear background. Then you enter the text and have the animated videos like this. Okay, so it creates a video, but first it creates an avatar of you. So let's explore the Hagen platform together. If we just click on Hagen and we find here Hagen website, and for sure you can do it for free up to one avatar, and then you can have animated animation for 5 minutes for each one. Okay, let's just do it with Google. And here we go. We open this one. I already take all my credits, but if you go to home and we have something called AI Studio, you can have templates or videos or creating your own personalized avatar. So if you just go to templates, okay, I don't have this option to show because I exceeded all my credits. Okay, we are going to have plenty of videos that's showing you how to use Asian in detail on YouTube, but let's just explore the other parts of making the Haitian or the talking avatar. So far, before we dive in, which one do you think looks better to use? Is Leonardo AI or Dwayne AI or Haitian or photo booth? Beside that, we don't show the live demo, but from the example we just demonstrated. I'd like to hear from you. Okay, hand tried Leonardo, but yes, we are just going to have difficulty in writing the right prompts. But she thinks that once she figures out how to do this, it will have great results actually. That's good, Hen. Okay. For me, user-friendly is Dwayne AI, very easy to use, but for more customized people with artistic background, will able to handle Leonardo AI, same as Photo. Now let's go to the second part. Now, in order to make a talking avatar, we first create a photo, then we animate it. To make an animation for a talking avatar, you mainly need to do the following. Lip synchronization, like that what you're saying is synchronized with your lip movements, head movement, and body gestures to look more realistic animation. Haitian, when we just enter the photo of mine and try to say,
أهلا ومرحبا
I'm just
بكم.
speaking here in Arabic to try to see how the lip synchronization go. But actually, I tried in the with the technical support, the voice from my side doesn't really working if I play the video with the voice here. But here, if you play the animation
أهلا
again,
ومرحبا
I was
بكم.
just saying, hi, this is Rahma Tolba in Arabic. Just watch the video one more time, please.
أهلا ومرحبا بكم.
Okay. If
أهلا
we
ومرحبا
go
بكم.
to next competitor, it's DID. You enter the photo and same text or voice recorded with your mobile phone, and it will animate the picture for you. But
أهلا ومرحبا
we are
بكم.
going to notice that DID is really good in lip synchronization animation only, and it look a little bit robust.
أهلا
If we
ومرحبا.
just
أهلا
compare the two animation together to see what I'm talking about. On the left, we have Haitian, and on the right, we have DID. In Hagen, he applied all the type of animation in order to be a little bit realistic, which means I blink more often and more realistic. In the right poses with the talk, lip synchronization is not the best, but look good, and it have head gestures like moving the head during your talk. And if you pose, the mouth is closed, and at the end, the pictures look to you. But in DID, it just have a stiff head on the neck, doesn't move at all, and just the perfect lip synchronization. So if Haitian get benefit from the lip synchronization technology from DID, or they are integrated, we will have better results. Actually, both of them give you 5 minutes for free in order to make your own talking avatar. And It's all for each account you are signing up with. And you can make the voice with your own voice, like recording your own voice in any language and upload, and they have the ability to lip synchronize with your own voice. Here I was testing Arabic, and if you don't want to record your own voice, you simply write the text of what you say, of what you want to say, and choose the style or the sound you want to say. Is American, is British, is an Indian, is it French? So you can have an intro for your videos or your YouTube channel using this, talking in different languages actually with only a photo. You just have a photo, write the text to the language, and voila, everything will be generated for you. So far we just explore together simply how the steps goes. 2 steps, create the photo, then you animate it. So I have a little plan for you how to work out, starting with 3 questions. First, you have to ask yourself how your avatar would look like. And second, you write what you want to say. Third, which AI tool will use. So let's make a demo for that. For question number 1, how you like to have your avatar. For myself, I want to clone myself to make an intro video. I want to have someone look like me exactly. Who can do this for you? Hagen is the only one can create a photorealistic of yours and make it talk with anything you want to say. But if you want to make a fairy avatar of yours, you can choose Dwayne, for example, or Leonardo. So for the first one, I have to decide which type of avatar I want to create for myself. Second, what I want to say, like, hello, this is Rahma Tolba, and I will be your instructor in this workshop. Let's get started. A tip, if you want to record it by your own voice and have a perfect lip sync with this, you have to make this punctuation or pauses during your speech, like, hello, this is Rahma Tolba, and I will be your instructor for this workshop. Let's get started. Give like 3 minutes after each period to know this is a period. And if you have any editing tool that you can crop any silence or any voice over air or a surrounding noise, it will give you a perfect lip synchronization if you just adjust your audio for that. Hagen offer you to do this for you, but will not for free. You can do it by yourself with any editing tool by removing this silence or even adding silence to yourself. Make a little bit clear when you are speaking and slow down. Of course, don't talk so quickly like me, okay? So for the last question, which AI tool you will use? I will use Hagen according to the scenario just answering so far. So now it's your turn to try it by yourself. Here is all the questions that help you to decide. I want all of and each of you just decide to answer, decide what to do by answering these questions. And I will be happy to share this with you if you want to share it with me. If you have any questions, let's do it together now. I want to see your talking avatar by the end. We are actually having like plenty of time to do this live together. So I'll just leave this on the screen, and it's your turn now. I'd like to hear from you if you want to open just the mic and speak up if anyone want to share his or her experience live with us. Okay, we have a question here from Risk that say that if the app will generate the audio or I need to generate that audio from myself. Okay, which app we are talking about? If we are talking about Hagen or DID, it's whether your recorded audio or write a text and it will generate the voice for you, whether you want it in any different language or different accent, actually. So do we have any volunteer who want to share his or her photo and his or her screen and try this together live now? Anyone? Yes, this meeting is recorded. Okay, thank you, Naveen. Actually, I didn't want to make mine as a live demo. When I do it in the live sessions, I actually pick one of the audience to do it by him or herself live and share the photo together. So any volunteer. I try to deliver in this session the main steps that help you in doing this by yourself as far as possible and as free as possible, actually. And the rest, as we mentioned in the beginning, will be like hands-on. You try it by yourself and get benefit from the time. If you want to try it yourself now and ask me any questions or share the questions or experience with others. But if you're not ready to try it yet, it's okay. Totally understand this from your feedbacks. So I will be more delighted to receive your outputs in my LinkedIn account. Okay, Hind really wanted to do this with us, but she is not in front of her laptop right now. It's okay. But really, thank you, Hind, for your initiative. Okay, we have questions. If anyone want to be like a volunteer to try it live and share a life experience with others, will be nice.
Can I be a
Okay,
volunteer?
it's okay, Bilal. Totally understand that. Okay, so I'll try to give you this presentation. It have links, each icon, each photo. If you want to see the tutorial, just click on the photo. If you want to open the link of this tool, just click on the icon of the tool, and simply I will be more happy to receive your work. Actually, I'll be more happy to have this actually by sending it to LinkedIn or just share it after the session or after you try it by yourself at home on LinkedIn and simply just tag me. And now if you have any questions, we have plenty of time for Q&A. I'm not sharing the slides yet, and that's why you can't find the link. Okay, if you would just want to have my LinkedIn, we just mentioned at the beginning, if you simply click uh, Google, search me on Google and write RHMA Tolba, Rahma Tolba, okay? And you are going to find my LinkedIn here, okay? And other platforms too. So simply just um, Google me with Rahma M. Tolba, and you are have the chance to have the accurate link of my LinkedIn. And of course, in the presentation, if you click on the jumping LinkedIn icon, it will open my LinkedIn account actually. I have to log in just a second. Okay, this is my LinkedIn account. So you can easily reach it through the Google actually. Okay, we have a question here from Hand again. Can I generate logos through these tools? Yes, sure, you can generate anything, a logo, photo, video, or image of yours. It's like having your own artist by your own hand, but yet it depends on how you master prompts, actually. That's the secret, or this is the trick. Okay, thank you, Shayma, for your feedback, and I'm happy to hear that you are working in your avatar. Looking forward to see it. Thank you, Hosam, for your feedback. Okay, we have a question here like, okay, I will get to your question at the end, Risk. Thank you, Iman. And we have questions like a recap for the session. Actually, it's very easy. I tried to make it a very light one. Let's recap it quickly, very quickly, starting from here. Okay, today's session was about how to make your own talking avatar. In order to do this, you have like two main steps. Create the avatar and make it animated. So to create the avatar, we have two options. You can create the avatar from a photo or from a video. To create an avatar from a photo, simply search Google on how to create an avatar from a photo, and it have plenty of AI tools. I picked three of you: Down AI, Leonardo AI, and Open Art Booth. If you click on any of these icons, it will open the link for these tools. And we demonstrated together an example for each tool. This is my avatar from Doing AI. This is my trial from Leonardo AI. And this is from the official YouTuber for a photo booth open art example, actually. And once you're happy with the photo you just generated, you have another option if you want to clone yourself and make one identical of you as like you're shooting a live video. It's using Hagen. If you click on the icon, it will open the link for you. Now you're done. You're having an avatar of yours, whether it's a fiction one or just a clone of yourself. Now it's time to make it animated. Animation actually have three basic things: lip synchronization, hip movement, and body gestures to be more realistic. We demonstrated two major tools, or like say big tools in doing that. It's Hagen, and it's very good in making head gestures and
أهلا ومرحبا بكم.
lip synchronization. And DID is very perfect in making lip synchronization, give you up to 5 minutes to create your own video from text or audio file in any language you
أهلا.
wanted. And we compared the results between two, and put small plan if you follow. In order to try this at home anytime, you have to ask yourself first what type of avatar you want to look like, if it's science fiction or a clone of yourself, what you want to say, and which AI tool will use depends on the two answer of the first two questions, that will help you choose which AI tool to use. And of course, it will be free or not. That's all. I tried to recap it as possible as much, and I'll be more happy to have your results on my LinkedIn, actually. Sure, I will share the presentation with you. I will ask the IT, our technical team, to share it with you. I hope, Mahmoud, Mukhtar, that the quick recap is good for you so far. Okay, Ahmed Hussam asked me about using Mid-Journey. Yes, Mid-Journey can help you, but you will have the same struggle we saw with Leonardo AI. Actually, Leonardo AI is the improved layout of Mid-Journey, because the Mid-Journey have only three types at the bottom. It's like the type of the prompt and the prompt itself, and you keep trying until you get the one that looks like you. But if you want a more neat outline for your platform, I guess Leonardo will be better for you. But yes, I saw people try Mid-Journey creating avatars look like them, but it takes like 2 to 3 hours to get the one you wanted. But the three one I suggested here, it's up to the tutorials take you like 10 minutes to 5 minutes to create your own token avatar. Okay, I'm glad that the recap was useful for you, Mahmoud. Okay, good question from Hind. Any suggestions for prompt creating tools specifically for Leonardo and Midjourney? Actually, there is like an online, what we call many certificates, like up to 1 to 3 months, that help you to master how to make prompts for any AI tool, specifically for the artistic one that help you to draw or make images or videos. But for Leonardo, you can find help in these examples on the homepage. It depends on you. Actually, it need a little bit work from you to try the templates or the prompts until you find the one that suits you. But to save the credits, you can just look for tutorials and go step by step with it. At the end of the tutorial, they attach the prompts they use. For me, I wasn't lucky to have a perfect images of me, but when I use one of the series, yes, I have a good picture, because it's very common and it's easy to be generated. But my advice for you is just to try as much as possible. I know it will cost you coins, the free ones, but you can overcome this by doing multiple accounts actually, and by watching more videos actually to be able to decide which prompt you need. So the experts you are going, people say that AI will replace us, but yet you need to learn how to communicate these tools through prompts. So again, it will need a little bit of study or time from you to master how to do this. She was asking again that if ChatGPT will help you. Actually, people just do tutorials for that if ChatGPT will help, yes, it is, but again, it will take time from you, like 3 to 4 hours minimum to back and forth with ChatGPT and the AI tool in order to have the perfect image. My advice for you again is just to search for tutorials. If you just wrote on YouTube, making your own avatar, have dozens of AI generated videos of how to do this actually. So again, it's a little bit help from you. I try to help in this workshop as much as possible by delivering different tools, that one of easy, one that need a little bit work, and one a little bit not free, it's paid. But I guess if you are reasonable with the results and the price, you can do it once or twice per time. For your life, actually, to have once I created my avatar in 2021, I didn't change it actually because I'm satisfied with the one I created. I hope I get your questions well handled, and if you have anything else, feel free to write it down, please. Okay, Riz is just sharing with us that there is a platform called Alex, ALX, that provide courses that help with how to master AI and AI course programs for free. Thank you for sharing, Riz. Okay, back to your question, actually. I had a comment about having a good accent in English. It's just about, again, self-study, actually. I was in governmental school, didn't have any private education, but I keep working on myself. The more you practice daily for 2 hours, speaking out loud, not just listening, because most of us just focusing on the grammar, the spelling, even the listening, but they don't practice talking. The more you talk, the more better. But you may face the get struggle with being shy or couldn't express yourself. You don't have this flow of words that help you to talk fluently. To to overcome this one, you simply read out loud. It's a very good advice I have once from one of my teachers. That's reading this tutorial out loud. Read what's written in website out loud. You found this style of websites that help you to really clone in your talking, read your books out loud. It's a little bit exhausting, actually. It will hurt your jaw and your tongue muscles if you do it every week, every day per week. But after 2 weeks, you'll get like exercises and have a very good face shape, actually, by training these muscles. So I hope this I get your answer. That simply read out loud and try not to be afraid that you don't get it right from the first time. It's okay. If you don't know any pronunciation of any word, just put it in Google and it will just tell you the pronunciation and read it again. So it's a little bit challenging, but take it like a game. Reading out loud is very good advice, actually. I hope I help you on this question. Yeah, okay. I have a very good question from Yumna. Let me just share the question with you. Is there a way to create an avatar that can speak when there is a text and stop when nothing is being typed? I want it to work all the time, not just a timed video, real-time avatar. Okay, this is a good point for master degrees or maybe a PhD degree, or let's go for a graduation project. You have to work combine multiple tools together in order to do such an application because yet it's not available in a market for users use, but it's up to you if you can code or can create your own. This application will be amazing, actually. We have another question here. What is the best text to speech for Arabic tools? Okay, that's very good tool actually, because I'm doing my PhD in Arabic speech or speech recognition for Arabic phonemes actually. Um, through my experience, I found that Google online platform is very good one for Arabic text-to-speech Arabic, but unfortunately it's a little bit expensive, and because it's offer you like delicates, different delicates of Arabic, like 18 different delicates, Tunisian, Algeria, from Algeria, if you're Algeria, or if you're Egypt, even from Egypt, you have different delicates, like you're from Alexandria or from Upper Egypt, or things like that. So Google Speech actually is one of the best, but the online platform, I don't highly recommend the one that's apps. If you are programming something, you can link this through a monthly subscription, actually. So you can get benefit from the live text-to-speech in different delegates in Arabic, actually. And if you are very good in programming, there is Python libraries that have been invented only for text-to-speech, and it's for free, but you need a programmer in order to integrate these libraries in your application you want to do. I hope I get your questions well. And if you have anything else, feel free to write it down on the comments, please. Thank you, Riz. I have a question from Ahmed that he missed the session from the very beginning. Don't worry, it will be recorded. And I will share the recording and the slides with you after the session, of course. Okay, we have another advice or tip
Thank
from
you,
Riz.
Rahma.
He's sharing with us that a co-pilot, a designer, can be used to generate image. It's very easy image generator. Thank you for sharing this. I have a question from Ahmed again. I'm sorry, I'm not familiar with the abbreviation STT. If you just can clear what is speech to text, I guess. Arabic, especially Egyptian, yes. Our Egyptian delegates, even, yeah, I found this one, an online company or startup, actually Egyptian startup, about different delegates, but it's not for free. If you want to use it, you have to contact them. If you just search for Egyptian Arabic text, maybe if you're having time here, I can share screen with you. I don't know if you're still seeing my screen. Yes. Okay, if we just write Egyptian Arabic text, oh, okay. Text to speech Arabic, Egyptian Arabic, okay? Okay, Google will understand. Here's the one, it's called, I don't know, MURFI. And here is another one, Egyptian Arabic text to speech. And it's even have voices like male or female. And what's pretty in this one is actually that give you the accuracy of how it's accurate. Actually, it's like which one, like you get 80% accurate or not, or give feedback. They are all projects actually shared by startups working on that, but nothing commercial yet for users to be used. You need to contact them to use it or create your own one using Python actually. But simply, again, if you just type in on Google that text-to-speech Egyptian Arabic, you will have plenty of actually here. The one recommended by Google is very, very good one. Actually, I use it in my lab tutorials with my students when they try to make Arabic text-to-speech. Again, give you like 1 minute for free, then you have to pay in order to be integrated with your Python program. Others will be a lot of people work in Egyptian accent now, actually. It's very interesting and promising field, the speech recognition or speech text field. I recommend, I strongly, what I say, I ran up words. Okay, I highly recommend that you really get into this field. It's a very good one to dive in, actually. 11 Labs support this. Yes, thank you for sharing this. I don't know if you have the option to share or to speak with me, like sharing the audio, open the mic and talk. If anyone have any questions.
Thank you, Rahma. It was very
Hi.
interesting. Thank you everyone for watching the tutorial. We will have a short break now and see you back at 2:30.
Thanks a lot, Dr. Rahma.
Okay, thank you. And
First,
it was a pleasure having you all today, actually. a, I don't know, if tech team with me or I'm still with the audience. Actually, just still with the audience. Kind of done with the workshop. It's mainly now Q&A. So if you don't have any further questions, to drop in the chat now. It's okay. Feel free to just to end this workshop. Otherwise, you just can text me anytime on LinkedIn with any questions you have. And again, I will be more than happy to have your examples, actually. I'm looking forward to see. Thank you, Ahmed, for your feedback. Actually, I was giving more time to this session for live demonstration from one of you, but actually I wasn't lucky to do this time, but it's okay next time.
I have a suggestion. If we still have time, maybe
Sure,
we
yes.
can pick one. We can pick one picture from the internet, and then we create the avatar on it, if that is possible, because I think it's a very valuable part of the session, this live tutorial.
Yeah.
But if that's possible for you, Dr.
Yes, I'm just wanted one of you to do it yourself, actually. How about that? Sharing your own screen and try it yourself.
Yes, I would be very lucky to do it actually, but unfortunately, I'm not in front of the laptop. So I missed this opportunity.
Yeah, that's so sad. Okay, anyone? Any other volunteer who want to just to share? Actually, I prefer live one not online session for workshops because you have the chance to pick up one of the audience and come on, as you have your own laptop, your internet connection, let's do it together. Okay, so I wanted to share videos actually with you, but videos it's have like a lag, slow streaming in live online sessions. That's why I prefer to include everything in the actually the presentation. So okay, I guess that's all. It was a pleasure having you all in this lovely, quick and easy, smooth session. And I was happy for the audience and your feedback and your recommendations. And really, really, really looking forward to have your trials with your token avatar by sending it to me in LinkedIn or feel free anytime to contact me there. Nice to have you all and see you